Ready to bring some autumn vibes to your kitchen? This pumpkin pie recipe will warm your heart and make your kitchen smell like cozy hugs and fallen leaves. Ingredients: 1 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin puree, or if you're a fall fanatic, roast a real pumpkin, no judgment. 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. This is for that creamy, dreamy texture. 2 large eggs. Make sure they're large. This pie doesn't do small. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We're here for that warm, spicy scent. Half a teaspoon ground ginger, because a little zing never hurt anyone. Half a teaspoon ground nutmeg. Don't skip it. Nutmeg brings out all those cozy flavors. Half a teaspoon salt, just a pinch to balance the sweetness. 1 pre-made pie crust, because who's got time to roll dough? Not you. Instructions: preheat and set the stage. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, because this pie's got to get a hot start. While it heats, show your pie crust a little love. Lay it in a 9-inch pie plate and give those edges a pinch. Get pumpkined! In a large mixing bowl, combine the pumpkin puree and sweetened condensed milk. Stir in the eggs like you're mixing your best autumn playlist, nice and steady. Sprinkle in cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, and salt, mixing until it's the color of pumpkin dreams. Pour and pose. Pour that spicy, creamy filling into your prepared crust. Feel free to take a pic for Instagram, because this is your masterpiece. Hot start, cool finish. Bake at 425 for 15 minutes to set the stage. Then lower the temperature to 350 and let it bake for another 35 to 40 minutes. You'll know it's done when a knife inserted in the center comes out clean. And don't worry, it may puff up a bit like a fall sweater, but it'll settle as it cools. Cool, chill, and serve. Let your pie cool for at least an hour. For maximum yum, serve with whipped cream. Bonus points if you dust with a little cinnamon on top. She deserves it. Pro tip: pie troubleshooting. If your pie cracks, it happens, just say it's a rustic look. After all, real pumpkin pies have curves and characters. Now dig in and get ready to fall in love with fall all over again. Subscribe now for some more recipes.